First, buy ripe cherries from a grocery store. Eat them and collect their pits. The actual seeds are inside the outer hard shell of the pits. To break open the pits, use a plier. It is important to hit at the correct place of the pits to open the seeds without breaking. Hold the seed between the lines in the plier and hit lightly to open, the pit will open and the seed will come out. If you fail to take out the seeds, still you can germinate both the seeds and the pits as shown. The seeds will take less time to germinate and you will see the cherry sprouts before planting. So it is better to split open the seeds. Soak the seeds and the pits in water overnight. Enclose the seeds and pits in a paper towel and dampen the paper. Then, wrap in a polythene sheet or Ziploc bag and place in the fridge for about 3 months. Open the bag every 2 weeks and change the paper, if mold develops. After 3 months, some of the seeds have sprouted in the process. Note that the seed has sprouted, whereas the pits have swollen and ready to plant for germination. As the seeds and pits have been stratified, they all will grow in soil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.